Trying to lose weight, but dessert cravings hit every night? What if I told you desserts don't ruin fat loss, bad choices do? Most people quit diets because they think dessert is forbidden. Restriction builds cravings, and cravings always win. These healthy desserts are under 150 calories, easy to make, and actually keep cravings under control. Greek yogurt plus cocoa powder plus a few berries. High protein. Chocolate flavor. Keeps you full, not guilty. Slice a banana, freeze it, drizzle dark chocolate. Sweet, creamy, under 120 calories. This one feels illegal, but it's not. Chia seeds plus almond milk plus cinnamon. Fiber-rich, slow digesting, and perfect for night cravings. Berries with crushed nuts. Crunch plus sweetness equals satisfied brain. Healthy doesn't mean unlimited. Portion control is what keeps desserts fat loss friendly. Eat dessert after a balanced meal. Blood sugar stays stable, cravings disappear. If you want weight loss without giving up desserts, like this video, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself and comment dessert. I'll drop a full dessert-only fat loss list.